Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we will get into chapter 2, The Sound of Music. The sound of music divides into two parts. Each part focuses on two musicians, Evelyn Glennie and Bismillah Khan. Part 1 throws light on Evelyn's life and struggles to become a successful musician and how she gained international recognition. Evelyn Glennie. Yes, it's rightly said about her that God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That's why she expresses music so beautifully. Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist. She can play about 1,000 instruments with perfection, but she is profoundly deaf. When she was 8 years old, her mother noticed that she was becoming deaf. The loss of hearing had been gradual, and Evelyn had managed to hide it from all others. At last, she was taken to a specialist when she was 11. The specialist confirmed that she had lost her hearing altogether. She was sent to a school for the deaf. The loss of hearing did not deter her from her determination to lead a normal life. She wanted to be a musician. One day, she saw a girl playing a xylophone. She too wanted to play it. All teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes believed she could do it. Ron Forbes tuned 2 drums. He asked her not to hear but to sense the sound in some other way. Soon Evelyn was excited. She felt the vibrations of the higher drums from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. Later, she realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. It tinkles in her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she performs on a wooden platform, she takes off her shoes. Then she can feel the resonance flowing up through her bare feet. Evelyn went to prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. She was about 17 at that time. She auditioned for the academy and scored one of the highest grades. At the end of her 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. She had moved from the orchestral work to solo performances. Now, Evelyn is a multi-percussionist. She has mastery of about 1,000 instruments. She is a very popular artist and is invited for performances all over the world. She has accomplished more than any other person of her age. In spite of her deafness, she has learned French and Japanese. Evelyn works hard. She works harder than classical musicians, but she is most unassuming. She tries to do her bit for others. Besides her regular concerts, she performs free in prisons and hospitals. She helps the young musicians. She is indeed a source of inspiration to the handicapped, especially the deaf. Now it's time for you to come back to the textbook and read the chapter. All right?